Good day collectors, this is Scaling Drive back again. Today I'm going to review a funky little casting. Yes, as you can see, is a tuned version of the 1970 Dodge Charger. It says Fast and the Furious, so it's a take on the Fast and Furious Dodge Charger only in the same black color. So let's get on and uncard this. Oh, nice. It's such a cute little casting. So cute. Like it squished, the lower part of the body is squished, and this B pillar and the roof height is exaggerated. So it's a toned casting made to look funky and cool. Yeah. Wheels are the same. Chromed SP5 like on the original Dodge Charger from the Fast and Furious series. The rear is also the same, and there's some markings for the door handles and two reverse scallops on the doors like in the real Charger, and two reverse scallops on the hood, and exposed blown engine coming out of the hood. Looks nice. And the front grille is chrome, and part of the interior looks nice with quad lamps. And another interesting thing I noted, here the window is closed but the driver's side window is open. That's quite rare, I think, in a Hot Wheels casting. Either both side windows are open or both are closed. That's an interesting thing. But let's compare it to the original Fast and Furious Dodge Charger. Here it is, Dom's Charger, Dom Toretto. Okay, let's look at the front. Okay, here you can see there's a difference in the grille. This is the single piece grille with headlamps hidden behind the panels, which open like this to reveal the quad headlamps, and this one has the exposed headlamps. So I am wondering if this is the 70s Charger or a previous or a later version. But let's compare the other two. The reverse scallops on the hood are the same, the blown engine is similar, but it's wider over here. This tuned version is quite wide, actually as wide as, not as wide but fairly wide for such a short casting. So it's nice version. And on the sides we can see, okay, here also there's a difference. Here there's single reverse scallop on the door, here we can see twin reverse scallops. So here there's some differentiation. I'm coming to think this is not the 70s Charger actually. I'll compare. On the rear it's exactly the same. The rear is the same, and here it's open window both sides. Here it's only open window the driver's side, as you can see. So this is an interesting take. So let's unfold the mystery first. Let's compare this with a Dodge Charger from 1971. Yeah, so this has a similar quad headlamp, exposed headlamp setup, not like the hidden one on the 70s Charger. 71 has that, but the grille design is different. It's smoother, and there's a post kind of thing in the middle. Let's look at the hood. Hood is also different. There's a design is different. Here there are two reverse scallops, and the hood design is different, and on the side there are two vertical vents here there. So this is not based on the, we have here, I'll show it to you. Yeah, that's good. 1971 Dodge Charger. So then, what is this tuned casting based on? Let's move on. It's not based on the 71, it's not based on the 70. So let's go back one more year. Let's go back to 69. Yes, here we have a 69 Dodge Charger. Okay, here the front grille is matching. Okay, we have a match here. Check. Oh, the hoods are also matching. Two reverse scallops on the hood. There are some hood pins also. They are not there, but the design is the same. And there's this grill on the above the front cowl as well. Okay, so check number 2. On the sides, okay, the door has two reverse scallops. Check 3. Moving, and you can see, yeah, moving on to the rear. Okay, rear is almost similar, yeah, quite similar. So I believe this one is based on the 69 Charger, not the 70 Charger as mentioned in the packaging. So that was an interesting thing. I was looking at the car from the packaging only, and I realized the front grills are different. So here is my review of the 1970 Dodge Charger from the Fast and Furious series tuned version, which is actually a 1969 Dodge Charger. Hope you like the review. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.